Did you know that people who work night shifts are more likely to crave sugary snacks at midnight than those who work during the day? It's not just about staying awake, your hormones are literally confused about what time it is. So what really happens to your body when your days become nights and your nights become days? Let's dive into how night shifts can secretly mess with your hormones, and what that means for your health. When you work the night shift, your body's natural circadian rhythm, that's your internal clock, gets turned upside down. Normally, your body knows when to release certain hormones based on light and darkness. Here's how the disruption happens. 1. Melatonin confusion. Melatonin is the hormone that helps you sleep. It's released when it's dark. But if you're working under bright lights at 2 a.m., your brain thinks it's daytime. This makes it harder to sleep deeply later, even when you're exhausted. 2. Cortisol imbalance. Cortisol, your stress hormone, is supposed to be higher in the morning to give you energy, and lower at night to help you relax. Night shifts flip that pattern, making you feel wired at night and sluggish during the day. 3. Leptin and ghrelin chaos. These two control your hunger. Ghrelin says, "I'm hungry," and leptin says, "I'm full." Working overnight increases ghrelin and decreases leptin. That's why midnight snacking feels irresistible. 4. Insulin resistance. Your body becomes less efficient at using sugar for energy. Over time, this can increase the risk of weight gain, diabetes, and heart problems. Your hormones are the communication system of your body. They control your mood, sleep, metabolism, and even how your cells repair themselves. When they're out of sync, everything feels off, from your focus and energy to your appetite and emotional balance. In short, a disrupted sleep schedule doesn't just make you tired, it makes your body confused. Friendly tips to help. If you must work night shifts, here are a few simple tricks to reduce the impact. Try to get at least 7 hours of sleep in a completely dark room. Use blackout curtains or a sleep mask. Eat light, balanced meals instead of heavy ones during your shift. Avoid caffeine 4 to 6 hours before sleeping. And most importantly, get some sunlight exposure when you wake up. It helps reset your body clock. So, next time you're pulling an all-nighter, remember, your body isn't just fighting sleep, it's fighting biology. Be kind to your hormones, give your body the rest it deserves, and you'll feel the difference. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more wellness tips, and share this video with your night shift buddies.